Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to maintain Subaru Impreza. Start by prioritizing safety so you can work calmly and confidently. Park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and chock the wheels before lifting. Wear gloves and eye protection for fluid checks and brake work. When doing electrical tasks, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Keep a clean workspace and take photos before disassembly to aid reassembly later. Regular fluid checks keep your Subaru Impreza running smoothly and prevent costly breakdowns. Check engine oil monthly and top up as needed, changing oil per your schedule. Inspect coolant level and look for discoloration or debris, and service the cooling system when required. Keep brake and transmission fluids at proper levels and address leaks right away. Simple fluid maintenance improves reliability, preserves performance, and extends the life of vital components. Tires and brakes are central to safety and comfort in your Subaru Impreza. Keep tires inflated to the recommended PSI and check for uneven wear or nails that could cause flats. Rotate tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear and predictable handling. Inspect brake pads for remaining thickness and replace them before they reach critical wear. Also check rotors for grooves or warping to maintain smooth stopping power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.